Hi friends, welcome to Crypto Vulture Trading. In this video, we are going to see about the next upcoming week updates and what we are going to expecting the next move from the market. And before that, I am asking everybody to subscribe our channel, enable the bell notification link, and in the description we shared all our social media platforms where you are going to get valuable updates. At least try to follow our telegram channel. You will get a beautiful content and free trading signals and knowledge. And then in the description we shared our best low fee trading crypto exchanges links. There you can get a huge trading discounts. Let's jump into the market analysis. Let's take initially to talk about the Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now we can see in weekly time frame. Basically, the Bitcoin is showing the same sequences the last time what happened here. So we can think it in the both ways. See the here if you observe that this is a negative impact and it is a positive impact. So in the daily time frame, if I observe the BTC with the EMS, so exponential moving averages, here the same way I am expecting here, but we don't know what is going to happen. But what I am expecting here right now, it is true, it is a lower low. But right now market is trying to go higher, maybe around 119k or 120k. If it rejects properly, then I will grantly take it as a bearish move. In case market if go like this, and if it taken a one more higher low, then it is a bullish continuation. So right now we are in the situation, definitely market will pump first, that is no doubt right now, because it cleared previous resistance around 113 to 114k area. So now what I am expecting is around 117.5 to 120k. There is a liquidity gap in the market, so the market is trying to fill that liquidity or may retest this wicks. So here if you see the wicks were retested and again it fall down. So maybe the same thing I am expecting from the market, that are going to happen because of this fed data is going to come. So next week we are getting this fed data. In that data definitely we will expect that market will volatility move. So maybe there are the two ways. If a fed rate cut come, if it comes also, it can go down like how it is, uh, like buy in the rumor, sell in the news. This kind of situation also can trigger. So the correction is also that is definitely we are going to see at the time of rate cut. If it is positive, it will be a correction. If it is negative, that will be a dump. So the correction means first it will move before the Fed meeting around 119k area, 120. Then it will correct if the positive news is there, and then again it will start. If it is in a negative impact, if it is a bearish case, it should fall down. So right now, these pump what we are getting from the Bitcoin and Ethereum, it is exactly coming from the institutions. So you see that Ethereum initially the week was totally they sold and they taken the profits and again they are buying. Maybe this can be one more thing here what we can say, that can be a distribution phase. They are selling their coins at one constant price, that can be also there. But this point what we need to understand here, everything is in a lower high. So everything is a lower high, we cannot tell that it is entered into the bearish structure, but Bitcoin has entered the bearish structure. That's why we are waiting what is going to happen. The market is going to bearish trigger like this, or market is going to take a bullish way of correction. So just we are waiting for the Fed data. That data will define the direction of the market. And very important thing we need to see in this video, the first is USDT dominance. So when it I am coming the time to talk about the USDT dominance, as of now in weekly time frame also, it was rejected. Whenever RSI rejected below this 50 area, that says that there is no strong buying pressure in the market. Means there is no higher rate of conversion of the crypto to USDT is not happening. And while coming to the dominance, right now it is falling down. And once if it lose this support area of 54.5, sorry, definitely we will see a huge alt season. So we are waiting what will happen here. Is it going to take the retest and it will go move upwards or not? But you can see a good witness in the Solana because of the ETF rumors are running around in the market. That's why Solana has going continuously upwards. Everywhere it is an a lower high, which clearly indicating bullish pattern. And RSI is also approaching. So maybe Solana, these we can expect a huge run from the Solana. And the XRP also the same thing. You can see in the daily time frame it is in the breakout right now. So any good news or before this rate cut, markets are ready to pump. So they are excited and every all coins are breakout. And see, I am showing right now some limited coins. Why? Because they have the potential right now. They are breaking out and there is a good potential in that coins. In the Suyu also you can observe that clearly all are signaling bullish. So everything in the market is waiting for just for the news. Once the news comes out, Fed data decision, that's it, market will run. That's what I am telling you. So the bullish continuation what we are expecting or bearish continuation, everything is depends on this data. Before the data, don't trade too much and don't take shots initially. Okay, any confirmed data comes out from the market, then only go for short trading. Till that time, okay, you can go for the longs or without trading also is good. That was my decision. From the Bitcoin perspective, Ethereum perspective, dominance perspective of the market, I explained you. And what can we go higher in the market, that's what I am telling you is one is Solana, XRP, SEI and Doge. Next is Dot. Dot is also waiting for a huge breakout, but it is not happening because of there is a not initial money is also not returning in the Dot, and these news is going to give a pump for it. And AVAX already it is skyrocketing and it started and it's pushing towards the upward. Once any good news, that's what we are waiting for the all sessions we can expect in these coins initially. Right now they are in the good conditions. So and the final thought about the US market. US market is very important. So one thing we are observing from months together, market is in a bullish structure only. But how it is behaving, it will pass 2 3 continuously 2 3 weeks a bullish and 1 week bearish. Means it is just a corrections. So right now maybe the correction week is coming. If the next Monday, if any negative news, that correction will take place again. So that's what. Whenever US market is weaker, that times Bitcoin is faking correcting huge. So everything now depends on this market data. So, but if any huge correction occurs in market, that will give a huge dump for the crypto, maybe like this. So that's what I am seeing in the market right now. This is my perspective about what upcoming week can happen in the market. So what can be the bullish scenario, bearish scenario, what kind of trades you can take in the Bitcoin and other altcoins, because right now dominance already it is in the oversold area. But a test with definition, if you observe that, it is making the bullish divergence continuously from here. But this is the point where we need to understand is indicators will give you the indication but not the confirmation. For the confirmation we need one more higher low here. So till that without higher low like this, one higher low, then we will decide that yes, now we are entered into the bullish phase of the dominance, so that altcoins will not perform. So just these are the kevalam or only indications. We are waiting for confirmation. So friends, this is the update of the week. If you like our videos, don't try to forget subscribing our channel and like our video, share with your friends and family. So stay tuned with crypto trading. Have a nice day. Signing off.